Hey everybody, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. This is technically future Maya because I'm already in day 2 in Vegas, but I forgot to intro my video yesterday while I was traveling and doing other stuff. So this is gonna be a Vegas vlog. We are here for New Year's and New Year's Eve, and we're just here for like a week kind of, and so I'm gonna bring y'all along with all of the activities that we do and travel and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you're new here, please subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Bye.
I did prepay for my card, so I could avoid the fuck shit.
It always hurts.
That's okay for the mini.
Okay. Ooh. We done got a Nissan Rogue. I think this is a Nissan Rogue.
Yes.
And
I booked the SUV.
Story time. We get here, leave airport. From airport, we go to the Wynn. Very nice hotel. Very expensive hotel. And Hertz, they have a Hertz. And Hertz is out of cars. Well, not for us, but for other people. We got our Nissan Rogue. But for other people, they were not too happy that this New Year's Eve weekend, they are not gonna get a car until later. And they were yelling at the Hertz lady, and there's a singular lady at this Hertz. But that only took like an hour, so now we're off to see the wizard of our hotel.
Is somebody supposed to let me?
Hi, how are you? Good, how are you?
Okay, I'm gonna insert this clip from the day 1 part of the video into day 2 because I did not do a room tour when we first showed up because I was so tired. But we're staying at Planet Hollywood again, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick room tour. So this is the entrance, and we have these photos. That's the bathroom. That is, it's clearly lived in already. This is my bed and my stuff, and then this is the TV. We went to go get some snacks yesterday, and that's my mom's bed, and like more paintings, like super cute. They have like a wall with like just stuff partly on it, and then we have a view of the Sphere and like the other side of the hotel, and I think that's a Hilton. Yeah, a Hilton, and just like the bottom of the hotel. We wanted a view of the Strip, but those rooms were all sold out, so we get a view of the Sphere, which is kind of cool, and you get to see the mountains, which is actually really nice. So we're at Hammered Harry's, very notorious place where the waiters can be mean to you, but it's a little empty. You guys like my new look? Oh my god. Look at this creepy ass elevator that we're in. Freaking hash slinging slasher elevator that we probably.
No, so I could have opened one of
Bro. That was crazy.
Here, that's where I was last time.
We just ordered breakfast. Finna get Earla sandwich and grab something to drink from ABC Market. Good morning, y'all. It's day 2 in Vegas. I have not done any proper introduction for this video, so I'll probably do that later. But got some coffee, and we got this place at Planet Hollywood that is Earl of the Sandwich. I got a BLT, and my mom got a breakfast bowl. We're gonna eat and then chill, and then we have a reservation at Sugar Factory for dinner tonight, so I will take y'all along for that. And it's the day before New Year's Eve, and it's about to get crazy. They're not gonna sell any alcohol, they can't have glass anywhere near the strip, so it's getting crowded too. We're back in the Grim Reaper elevator. Oh my god. Why? The escalator works now, so we can go down. We don't have to take this creepy elevator. You can be blinded people though. Thank you. Let's do it. Hey y'all, I'm still in Vegas. I think we're on day 3. Yeah, day 3, technically day 4 since it's a new year. I'm gonna insert clips prior of New Year's. I didn't do anything throughout the day. We just chilled in the room all day and then waited and watched fireworks, and then we came back to the room. And I just want to thank all my new subscribers for coming and joining in 2025, and any new people that might be joining, welcome, and I hope you guys stay and join my life, I guess. So I hope to push our content so much better in 2026 and just make it entertaining for anyone that wants to watch me. And so thank you for joining, and I hope you stick around. So happy New Year's, everyone, and I hope everyone has a great 2026. This is editing Maya saying I'm home safe and we had a great trip. Okay, love you guys.